The video Top 5 Best Solar Panels in 2025 introduces the top solar panel brands for professionally installed systems with 25+ year warranties. It emphasizes options for homeowners rather than DIY projects. At number 5 is the Jinko Eagle G2 410 watt, which is valued for its affordability and suitability for ground-mounted systems but lacks premium aesthetics and efficiency. Ranked 4th is the Maxeon 7 445 watt, boasting high efficiency 24.1%, a 40-year warranty, and a low degradation rate of 0.25% per year. But it is expensive and has less appealing aesthetics. The third spot goes to the Silfab Elite 410 watt, which offers good value. Its 21.4% efficiency, all-black aesthetics, and 30-year warranty make it a competitive USA-made option. In second place is the Qcells Cron G2 430 watt, a USA-made panel with 22% efficiency, sleek zero-gap technology, and affordability expected to dominate the market in 2024. Finally, the Rec Alpha Pure 2 430 watt tops the list with 22.2% efficiency, excellent warranties that include labor costs, and strong performance in hot climates due to a low temperature coefficient.